Hello guys, so welcome to part 5 of our Python data text preprocessing. In this video we are going to remove the frequent words. Frequent words are they are those words that they are occurring like one time, two time. So these words basically don't give much or more meaning to our data. So we are going to remove some words that will be having a frequency of less than 5. So basically because those words might not be giving us a meaning of our text. So I've printed some line 1, 2 and 3 from our data frame. So we are going to see if any of the words from these three lists will be removed. Maybe it doesn't occur like five or more times. So we are going to do that. So first thing first is to import counter, which is counter is a subclass of a dictionary that's specially designed for counting hashable objects in Python. Stores the objects with the keys and counts. So it shall return a dictionary of words, every word that exists on our data frame text with its the number of times it occurs in our text. So from collections we are supposed to import the counter, yeah, like that. So we will initialize counter like this counter. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this text. We are going through each and every word from our text, but now we are going to use the lowercase, which doesn't have the stop words and the punctuation. So we are going to count each and every word, and we are going to take each and every word and we are going to store it on our dictionary. So and we are going to increase the count of the word, the number of times it will occur from our data frame. So for text in a data frame, which are going to use the lowercase data frame dot we are going to take the values for word in text. We split that sentence into words. So we are going to we split the sentence, we are going to get the word. So it's a list of words. So we are looping now the list of words. So we are going to add that word to our dictionary of of the counter. Then we are going to increment the value of the counter. Yeah, like that. So maybe we can see how our words are occurring. So let's print the. So as you can see, this is now the the words, the every each and every words that is on our on the tweets. So each and every word from our tweets is here, and the number of times it occurs in our in the all of the tweets file we have. So as you can see, we have the word and it's the frequent number of times it occurs. As you can see, there are those words that are occurring less. So many words are occurring for a frequent of less than 5. So we are going to pick words. We are going to create a list of words that occur 5 or more times in our tweets file. So what we are going to do is to create a list compression of frequent, which shall be I'm going to loop through this dictionary. So for xy, which will be word and its frequency in a dictionary of counter of the items. So we are getting x as the word and y as the number of times that word occurs. So if y, which is the occurrence, the number of times this word occur, if y is greater than y, then sorry, if y now the number of times this word occurs is greater than 5, so we are going to store that word. Okay, so again, to avoid repetition of words in our list, we are going to convert this into a set. So when we are going to, let's print the frequent. those words that are occurring more than five times in our tweets. Yeah, and these are the words that have an occurrence of more than five times in our tweets file. You can maybe start from five and more times. So on that, so now we are going to create a proof on the data frame of lowercase. That's the column lowercase. So we are going to return a new data frame of lowercase, which will be used to remove the words that are not on our frequent words. So apply. So we are getting an anonymous function lambda. So we are getting a sentence from our lowercase. So that sentence will be looped through. So we are going to split that sentence. We are going to loop through that sentence. Get the If we loop through that sentence after splitting, so we are getting word by word from our sentence. So if that word isn't in a frequent list or set, it's going to be removed from our sentence. So let's return that for word in x dot split. Now the what if word in sorry not just word if word in frequent, then we are going to return the word that word to our list that. So this will return a word that has more as an occurrence of or five and above. So again, we don't need a list. We are supposed to return a sentence. So we are going to convert this list of words into a sentence. So we are going to use the special method join that. So we are going to get a sentence. So let's now run our program and see the results. Yeah, as you can see, there are those words that were removed from our data frame because they don't have a frequency of 5 or above. Like you can see from our first list, payment was removed, problem, choice, mayor, motivation. So, and that's how to remove frequent words from our text. So if you have any question on removing frequent word from text, you can ask on the comment section. So thank you guys.